What's up, everybody? So this morning I went on a run with Taka. We went to the gym. That was kind of like the introduction to today's video. And today I'm going to take you along. I only have a couple days left here in Okinawa, and I'm going to take you along to a beach today. I'm going to take you along to a beach today. Just based on the pictures, it's one of the top beaches that I've seen here in Okinawa. Just want to show you all. And so I'm going to take you through my day as I explore more this island. And the highlight will be that beach. Right now, we're at a unagi bento place, and we're not sure if I can take film, but I'll try to show you all the inside. And it's kind of late right now. We worked out a little bit too long, and I'm super hungry, so I'm gonna go inside, get some unagi bento, and we're gonna go eat outside. So let's go. They have like live eel here. Crazy. The price of each unagi, like unagi bento, is like 1,000 and only 1,500 yen. So it's only like $9 for this. But yeah, we're gonna go get the bento and then head to go eat somewhere. Alright, I'll show you all the place now.
Why not?
Right, so we just picked up our lunch, as you saw from that previous video, and we're just eating at a park here. That's what the park looks like. You see this slide over here? I really want to go down it. So maybe after we eat, I'll go down. I want to go down that at some point. Maybe I'll be able to, I don't know, I'm a little bit heavy. Heavier than the normal person that goes down that slide, so we'll see. But yeah, we went to this unagi place to get some unagi bento. Then we got some drinks at a vending machine nearby. So today I'm gonna be spending the day with Taka. You all know him from the other videos, so. Wait, actually, can you define bento for me? Because I don't actually know what bento means.
Bento is kind of lunch box. Usually when I was student, I used to have bento for my lunch every day. Now I'm in Oka, so I have to have bento every day. That's same. That's typical in Japan.
Yeah, we're gonna eat this unagi. It's like getting kind of soggy, so better eat it now. And then we're gonna go to the beach. So we're gonna eat the unagi and then head straight to the special beach. And then once we're there, I'll show you guys all around. So see you all there. That's so fun. That's fun. Alright, so we're headed to a beach. We just left the park, so yeah, once we get to the beach, I'll explain more about where it is. But right now, we're gonna head over. We were staying on this rock for way too long, and then the tide started coming in, so we had to like jump and make our own little path.
Thank you, Nore. I was a bit scared.
Ow. Yeah. So clear. Ooh. 25-degree water.
Yeah, 25. if you like a bit cold water, you can join.
Let's keep on going forward. All right, well, so we're here at Mibaru Beach. Today's video is going to be finding the best beach here in Okinawa, and I think we found it because, as you can see, or I don't know if you can see, but I'll show you in a little bit. There's no one here at this beach right now, and I don't know if it's just because it's not the summertime, but it's super serene, and there are like tons of little boats, and there's some rocks, and the sand is actually it's kind of rough, but I think the closer you go in, it's more fine, and the water's super shallow, so you can walk in. So we're just gonna go around this beach, show you more around. Maybe you'll see more of the aerials. I'm gonna definitely fly my drone here. I think I'm allowed to. There's no authorization zone here. Just fly it around. You'll see how beautiful it is here. But remember the name, Mibaru Beach.
I just surprised. Oh, how beautiful beach existed. Yeah, it's kind of private beach. I like it.
And he's lived here his whole life, so that's saying a lot. So right now we're just gonna show you all the views. Take the drone off now.
Running through my mind at night, think about you all the time. Not sure I'm getting by, but these are my deepest secrets. Running through my mind at night, think about you all the time. Not sure I'm getting by, but these are my deepest secrets.
Alright, so we just left Mibaru Beach. Hopefully you all like the drone shots. Actually, I couldn't even get that many because I ran out of storage on my drone, so I have to go tonight and delete some stuff and then probably reset my SD card. But yeah, no, the beach was nice. I think honestly, there were some moments where there was no one there, which was super nice, and all the rocks. It was very scenic and very aesthetic, so definitely have to go back to Mibaru Beach. Honestly, you can even tell from Taka's statement that he's never been to anywhere like that, and he's been here his whole life, so it's definitely a place to go to, and honestly, maybe one of the best beaches here in Okinawa.
If you want to be alone and you need to take a risk and be more relaxing for your mentality, stress, I just recommend you should come to the beach and spend whatever you want. The beach includes top 3 beach, Okinawa beach.
I found one of the top 3 beaches here in Okinawa. But right now we're gonna eat dinner at Babyface Planets. We spent 2-3 hours at that beach, so a little bit exhausted, which is why we're not eating dinner too far from lunch. So we're ordering a lot of food. Not really much else to say, but right now I'm just gonna show you a little bit more of the restaurant and some of the food. So, all right, ready to see the restaurant? 3, 2, 1.
I'm dating with Noren.
No, just joking. Actually, maybe. No, I just go. Thank you.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah, now we're gonna head home. So let's go. So it seems like it's tradition now that we're gonna go see these nighttime views. I think it's because it's my second to last day here, and this is the only night I can really see the views here. And we have a local expert showing me all these views here. As you can see the southern or northern part of Arasue. So it's pretty cool. But today I spent time in Taka. Hopefully you guys all liked that beach that we went to today and saw all the good food that I ate. And I think someone special has the outro today. So thank you all for watching. There's one more video in Okinawa, or two more videos in Okinawa. And see you soon.
Please subscribe. No Ren Kimi. Bye.